Molweni, namkelekile nonke kweZeChisave Entertainment, keeping up with the Mselegus. Currently on the trends would be Lasbon Gekadarum Selegu, Lasbon wife Ekungumakwela. Umakwela recently post ke ku TikTok wakhe ehleli no baby met, obviously Udarum Selegu ebe driver, and jokingly posted ku TikTok wakhe that listen up guys, yes umntana akekho kwi car seat yakhe, baby seat yakhe, and njengokuba nani nimbona ke ubaby methi, but what, it's because it's just a mere 5-minute drive. This does not happen on a daily basis. It's just guys on social media. Guys, for those of you who have cars and have children, do you, like, even when you go to buy bread, do you ensure that you have a car seat? I'm not saying it's right, Linda Ainsley Umakwela, but realistically speaking, do you always ensure that a car seat a corner for umntana, a baby seat yakhe? I mean, do you constantly make sure that it's there? Because I didn't. I honestly did not, especially because it would take out so much space. So sometimes sometimes sifake xa sizo driver a long distance, you understand? So unfortunately Umakwela is being called out for that. Nanko ke uJustumi uthi Umakwela and Mselegu, who she cannot post on socials. That is why ningamboni kwi video uMakhumalo wakhalaza indoba makake ehlisele ngokuposta udada wekhaya on the socials, okay? Utumi spending quality family time, but I'm going to need them to get a babysitter for a baby met, okay? And one comment engayithandanga, guys, yo, you are so gqwirhi. Why sana khona umuntu ophenduleleyo wathi all the more reason halfway should never ever give Usamke a car. A lot can happen in 5 minutes on the road. This is careless and reckless behavior from both her and Udada Umsele. Why, guys? Why are you guys are so strict? Angade anganikwa imoto just because of that one particular video. Yes, I understand she's a public figure and you guys hold her up on a pedestal, high regard and whatnot, but guys, we are taking it too far. And so ke abantu khona bebemthethelela bethi guys Umakwela ebezenzela i-content, stop being too harsh on her, while there's so many people that were calling her out, saying you are a public figure, into oyenzayo, it's going to have an impact especially on your followers. They're gonna think, guys, I don't think followers are that dumb. I really genuinely don't think celebrities have that much impact on us. Dibone Umakwela senze into wrong and then automatically think that it's 100% correct. I also feel like Umakwela was just creating content, although ngoku sevalile i-comments zakhe because of the mean comments she was receiving. So yeah, guys, get an update here, horror. This is what a lot of people were bullying Umakwela over on the social. Please let me know your thoughts down on the comments, and on one shortly. Bye guys.